Today, I'm going to show you how to do your very own Diva Light, also known as a ring light. Stay tuned. Hi you guys, as a YouTuber, you know that is an important thing to increase the quality of your videos each time you do them. Knowing that, I have been searching and searching and searching on Amazon and Walmart and anywhere I can to find a ring light because I just love the glow it gives people when they're doing their videos. But unfortunately, the prices were not right. I looked at some of the Diva Lights and the Diva Lights were like $200, $250, and I was like, no, I cannot do that. So I looked at the ring lights on Amazon, a little better price, but they were around $190. I was like, no, still too high for my blood because I'm a thrifty girl and I just don't like paying full price for anything. So I was searching around on YouTube and found DIY videos. So no, this is not my own original idea. I'm piggybacking off other YouTubers because why not do DIY? I mean, it teaches you things and it also saves you money. So to do your very own ring light, the items that you will need is a wire wreath. It doesn't even matter where you get it from. I mean, you can get it from Joann's, Michael's, Walmart, Amazon, wherever you like. You got your zip ties here. I got the 8 inches. I mean, there's no need to go overboard and get the 11 inches like I originally wanted to, but I settled for the 8 inches because it made more logical sense, and besides, it was a cheaper one. All right. So the next thing is LED rope lights. I got these in the lighting section. So I guess it depends on what time of the year it is, whether it's going to be like in the outdoor section or lights or seasonal, but I got these in the light section where the light bulbs and things like that are. So make sure it's the 16 foot or 16 feet daylight LED lights. I mean, because different lightings give you different results. So I almost picked up the soft lights by accident, but caught myself and got the daylight. You'll also need a Sharpie, thin, thick, it doesn't matter which one. Scissors, chop, chop. And a file to file down the zip ties. And cardboard, because you're going to use this to trace your wreath. It doesn't matter if it's a clean piece of box, a moving box, whatever cardboard you can get your hands on. Another item you will need for this project is aluminum foil. Personally, it doesn't matter if you use heavy duty or the regular kind. The purpose of this is to reflect light for the ring. First, I am going to trace my wreath. This is going to serve a purpose later on, and I'll show you here shortly. We're going to do the inside and trace the outside. Then we're going to cut the tracing out. Next is the foil. right, you guys, we're all done. That took a little longer than what I wanted, and that's probably because I'm an impatient person. But if you want to trade time for money or money for time, or however that goes, if you want to save money, you have to go to DIY route. So I will need to further clamp these down, clip them and all that. But in essence, we are done. I'm going to plug them up. Okay, so unplug it. This is me before the Diva lamp or the ring light. And this is me after. I have a glow. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining. Everything you need is down in the description below. And please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get further notifications when I drop a video. All right, guys, thank you. Woo, I am so excited. This is very bright and pretty. All right, you guys, bye-bye.